Hello, I am Andrea, the President of the Union of United Worker Alliance. Our mission is simple but powerful, to unite all workers across roles and departments. Through advocacy, leadership, and solidarity, we fight for fair wages, safe conditions, job security, and respect. At Union of United Worker Alliance, every worker matters, and every voice counts. We stand against workplace injustice and negotiate for change, whether it's fighting discrimination, demanding healthcare, or building professional skills. Union of United Workers Alliance is the voice of the workers. Join us. The time is now. Stand with the Union of United Workers Alliance, stronger together, united for change.